Let's begin Skill 16, Dividing Decimals by Decimals. This is the last skill in RTI packet number 6, which will be due on Tuesday, February 10th, and your quiz will be on Wednesday, February 11th. To divide by a decimal, you need to change the divisor to a whole number. Now remember that the divisor is the one on the outside. So you need to change that to a whole number. Again, we've done this in class together, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time working on these with you. So without finding or changing each quotient, change each problem so that the divisor is a whole number. All right, so all we're doing here is deciding which one of these numbers is the divisor and which one is the dividend. So we have 3.4 divided by 1.1. And you need to decide which one is going to be on the outside of the division symbol. So here we're going to have 1.1, so we're going to move our decimal point and make that an 11. Here we're going to move our decimal point 3 places and make that a 6. Here we'll move our decimal point 1 place and make that a 4. When you do that, remember, I moved my decimal point once, so I'm actually going to make this 34 divided by 11. I moved my decimal point 3 places, so I have 76,440 divided by 6. And I moved my decimal point 1 place, so I'm going to have 5.6 divided by 4. Let's go down to the bottom, 0.9, 6.3 divided by 0.9. And remember, I have to move my decimal point 1 place, so I need to move it 1 place here. So I'm actually divided 63 by 9. 63 divided by 9 is 7. Here I need to move my decimal point 1 place, so I move it 1 place here. So I'm actually dividing 5.40 by 6. Move my decimal point straight up. 6 goes into 5 0 times. 6 goes into 54 9 times. 6 goes into 0 0 times. So my answer would be 0.90. So here I'd move my decimal point 1 place. So I've got a decimal point here that I can't see, so I have to move it 1 place. So I'm actually dividing 1290 divided by 3. So remember, we've done this in class together. In order to divide, you have to make that divisor a whole number. And when you move the decimal point 1 place here, you move it 1 place here. If you move it more than 1 place, you're going to move it more than 1 place in the dividend. So let's turn to page 32. I know we've moved pretty quickly through these skills, but face it, decimals are something you learned in elementary school. This should just be a refresher. I want you to do problem 19, problem 20, problem 23, problem 26, and then let's go down to the bottom. Now again, these look harder, but they're not really. You're just having to figure out which one goes inside the box, which one outside, in order to solve it. So let's do 33, 35, and 37. So 19, 20, 23, 26, 33, 35, and 37. Once you're finished, you have completed RTI skill packet number 6, and just remember that it is due on Tuesday, February 10th, and your quiz will be Wednesday, February 11th.